Hi, it's Deb from Deb's Days Designs, and I'm back with another sewing project. Today we're making these cute stuffed apples. Use them for your tiered trays, baskets, or bowls to decorate for fall and back to school time. Before I get started, I publish new content frequently, so be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel or stop by the blog at debsdays.com and check out my Etsy shop, Deb's Days Designs. That's where you'll find a digital version of this project. You can download it at home and print out the entire pattern. It has the materials list and cutting measurements, step-by-step written instructions, color photos, and the printable template. Or, to save paper, just read through the directions on your device and then print out just the template page. All right, let's get this project started. Along with your regular sewing supplies for this project, you'll need fabric for the apples, leaf, and stems, polyester fiberfill stuffing, pinking shears, a marking pencil, and of course the printable template. First, place a piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place another piece of fabric with the right side of the fabric facing up. Cut out the paper templates and center the apple template in the middle of the fabric stack and pin it in place. Stitch the apple together by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper, leaving a space on the top open for stuffing. Use a marking pencil to trace around the outside of the paper template at the opening of the apple. I usually use a lighter marking pencil, but used a darker one so you can see the line better. Remove the paper template and use pinking shears to trim a 1/4 inch to 1/2 inch outside the stitching lines. Use the top opening to stuff the apple with fiberfill, filling it as full as desired. To make the stem, fold the strip in half lengthwise with the wrong sides of the fabric facing each other and press it to make a crease. Open it back up. Fold one side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the other side to the midpoint crease and press it. Fold the entire piece over and press it. Top stitch about 1/8 of an inch from the edges all the way across and around the fabric strip. Fold the strip in half, making a loop. Adjust the stuffing away from the opening and insert the raw edges of the strip into the opening and pin it in place. Stitch the opening closed by sewing over the top of your traced line. To make the leaf, place the piece of leaf fabric with the right side of the fabric facing down. On top, place the layer of batting, fold the other half of the fabric over on top of the batting with the right side of the fabric facing up. Place the leaf template in the middle of the leaf fabric and pin it in place. Then stitch each leaf by sewing around the outside of the template very close to the edge of the paper. And use pinking shears or scissors to cut out the leaf. Place the leaves on top of the front of the apples and stitch those in place. And just like that, just that fast, you have these cute stuffed fabric apples for your home and classroom decor. See you next time with another project.